can really feel it in my forearms.
Yeah, usually you have to pay for something like this.
Oh, gosh.
Holly, you should sit on this.
No! Sleestaka! Sleestaka!
What?
Sleestaka!
What is it, Chaka? What did you say?
Sleestaka! Sleestaka!
What does he say?
I think it's the same thing over and over. Sleestaka.
Chorizo tacos.
Are you saying chorizo tacos?
Don't play around because I'm super hungry.
No! Sleestaka!
What the hell does that mean?
Well, I'm afraid we'll never know. Oh. Okay.
Oh, shit, it's not chorizo tacos.
No immediate danger. Cold-blooded and slow. I repeat, no immediate danger.
Will you stop that? Please. You're freaking me out. Oh, gosh. They're everywhere. They're just like zombies. That's how zombies get you. Volume. We're all gonna die.
Like hell. I'm gonna take at least one of these bastards with me, even if they have to choke to death on my skull. Oh! What, do you want some too, do you?
What are you guys doing?
1 second.
What in the hell?
Just get in! Wait, stand down, Holly.
Hang on. Hang on, I think we're safe. They don't seem to be able to make it through the entrance.
Thank God for that. That one keeps peering into my soul.
Well, this is just fantastic. How are we gonna just stand in here and suffocate in this tiny little huge thingy?
Wow, that is an efficient use of space.